So hi, good day. Today we will discuss what are those equations to find assets, liabilities, and capital. So before that, let's first discuss to include the income and expenses as temporary account to summarize the changes of capital as a result of a transaction. The accounting equation is expanded and stated as follows. As you can see here, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So open parenthesis, drawing plus income minus expenses. So this is the equation. So the next one is there are some or many equations that are presented that might lead us to confusion. So a lot of equation that we use here to find assets, liabilities, and capital, but it is understandable and easy to find. As a beginner, bear in mind that the accounting equation which is stated as follows. So this is the equation that we must follow so that we can easily remember the equation when finding assets, liabilities, and capital. So assets is equal liabilities plus capital. So when finding assets, here is the equation. Asset is we need to find the assets here. So assets is equal to 450 plus 650. So here's the example. We need to find the assets. So the following number are given already. The liabilities here is 450,000. That is the liabilities that is already given. The capital is 650,000. So that is also given. So we need to find what is the assets. So in simple equation, we can use assets is equal liabilities plus capital. So now we need to add liabilities plus capital. So in result, the assets is 1 million because the equation that we use here is addition, which is 450,000, the liabilities, plus capital 650,000 is equal to 1 million. That is the equation when finding our formula in finding assets. The next one is example is we need to find liabilities. So in finding liabilities, the equation that we need to use is liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. So we are going to deduct or minus. So the given example here that is given is 1,500,000. That is the assets. And the capital here is 650,000. So assets minus capital is equal to liabilities, which is 150,000, 1,000,000 and 500,000 minus 650,000 is equal to here 850,000. That is the liabilities. That is very simple. The next one here, the equation that we use here is we need to find the capital. So the equation that we use is capital is equal to asset minus liabilities. So the following are given already. So the assets here is 6,900,000. As you can see here, it is already given. The liabilities is 2,500,000. That is also given already. So we need to find the result of what is the capital. So in simply, we need to deduct or minus the assets minus liabilities, which is 600,900,000 minus 2,500,000. So the result here is 4,400,000. That is the capital. So that is very simple in finding assets, liabilities, and capital. So we also discuss here what are the rules of debit and credit. So the accounting equation reflects the normal balance of the three accounting values as well as the temporary account of an owner's equity account. So the side positioning, as adapted to effect the increase and decrease of the respective amounts, can be gleaned further with the developed rules of debit credit, which are stated as follows. So in finding capital asset and liabilities, this is very important, most especially in the entrepreneurs and businesses, so that malaman nila kung nalugi ba sila or what are those profit or na-gain nila na profit. Let's also discuss here what are the rules of debit in credit. So in rule number 1, in debit, increase an asset, while in credit, decrease an asset. So it's like a vice versa. So rule number 2, decrease a liability, while in credit, increase a liability. So same like a vice versa, decrease, increase, increase and decrease. And rule number 3, decrease a capital, while in credit, increase a capital. Rule number 4, increase a drawing, while in credit, decrease a drawing. Rule number 5, decrease an income, while in credit, increase an income. Rule number 6, here, number 6. And lastly, the application of the rules will be reported for the next report. Thank you.